All right. So if you're looking for a great cup of coffee, I'm making myself one right now. This is a great cup because two reasons: dishwasher safe and microwave safe. So that means you could actually put liquids in here and microwave it without worrying about anything getting break. So look at how well structured they made the actual cups. Beautiful lining. And then bottom, it gives you the instructions, what I just finished telling you right now. Two different modes. So if you guys can see, you got the white mode and then you got the underneath of it, brown. Come in set of 4, or maybe you could different change the colors too. Now, I like the size of it. It's perfect for my morning coffees. All right, here's a nice, beautiful cup of coffee. I just made myself a coffee with my breakfast. Now, this is great also for, you could give this as a gift, as a birthday present. They make good gifts, to be honest with you, for any kind of wedding, birthdays. Who wouldn't like a cup of coffee in the morning? Simple. Fill it to the top of the rim and enjoy it.